I am Anjaya from Commissioner of Tourism, Department of Tourism, Hyderabad. I am supervisor here. The Andhra Pradesh government is conducting a 3 days program of IITM, India International Travel Mart. This function is going at People's Plaza, Necklace Road from 3rd December to 5th December. The main focus of this event is to gather all the important tourism spots from entire country and other places of other countries. Even though now you can see the Egypt country and other also number of countries have been participated in that event. This is more benefit for the people of Andhra Pradesh and etc. those who are staying in Hyderabad also. See, because this is one of the big event to collect all the kinds of brochures and packages wherever you want, whenever you want to go to a particular places like a honeymoon packages and all. Now recently the Himachal Pradesh government and Nepal government, all the other outside countries also conducting the even the honeymoon packages and best location packages now they are offering. This is one of the big achievement and big useful event to all the people, those who are staying in Hyderabad. We are having a lot of good projects and a lot of packages we are having. Even the city tour, Ramoji Film City tour, entire Tirupati tour and Bhadrachalam, Papikondalu. Recently the government of Andhra Pradesh Tourism Department has conducted a very beautiful team, that is cruise tour, that is from Hyderabad to Nagarjuna Sagar. Now Nagarjuna Sagar to Srisailam by cruise, and again we will give accommodation to Srisailam, then Srisailam to Nagarjuna Sagar cruise, and from Sagar to Hyderabad there is a bus position. Now we are offering that the package is 2,000 per adult and 1,500 for children. So like that packages the Andhra Pradesh tourism is conducting. In the same way, recently we conducted that Bhadrachalam Papikondalu tour packages. Whenever you contact our website, you can see the www.aptourism.com, and whenever you come contact the Department of Tourism, Tank Bund, and Commissioner of Tourism, Tank Bund, that we can take any time information from our side. We will help any time. From our counters will open from right morning to right evening, all Sundays and all working days. This is very good option, then you can better utilize, and this is happy. AP Tourism is happy tourism.